Morning, fellas, from Candy. Just gonna have my morning devotion while I'm holding it upside down. Okay. Okay. We finished our little devotion and now I'm just chilling. We're trying to get in contact with the travel agency that booked our train tickets because on the Sri Lankan government train ticket site they didn't show anything free. So yeah, we just went the agent route. We use Pelago by Singaporean Airlines. I don't know why I was saying Sri Lankan, but I don't know. We still haven't gotten our tickets yet, so we're just figuring that out right now. This is Ambewele. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys, but it's so pretty. This is a farm. We want to see nice cows because we don't see them in India. Come. So we're just looking right now because there are some pretty hydrangeas right here, and Panda here loves floral stuff. Yeah, she's a florist, so she loves plants and flowers. It's nice weather here, guys. Very nice weather. Good temperature. Look at how big those hydrangeas here are. So beautiful. Panda, I'm hungry. I'm having a headache coming on. So pretty. Having some Sri Lankan lunch and lemon tea before our train. So we ordered some chicken. And I think this chicken is super old because I had a bite of it and I kind of felt sick instantly, and Panda also felt sick, so we just not eating it now. But if anyone's coming here, I do not recommend this one. Anyway, have your lunch before you get here. Yeah, I'll stop. So this is the train station, guys. Sorry. So we're on a train ride to Ella right now. Oh my god, really nice tickets.
Angel, I'm moving back and forth. Okay. There you
And we have arrived in our room. So guys, this is another cute little homestay. This is where Panda will be sleeping, and I'm taking the bigger bed because apparently she doesn't like bigger beds. And yeah, the cute little thing right here. And let me show you. Outside is also very cute. Okay. To me, what matters the most is the washroom, and the washroom is nice. So we good. Okay. So I have the little tea right here. And then... Oh, hi. Hi. Hello, why you look so like you don't eat?
Oh. Hi,
And now let me
Joko.
serve for you.
Oh, thank you. This is why
Oh,
I
my
have
back.
trouble.
Oh, sweet boy.
Hi.
Cheers, Panda.
Cheers. Sorry, it's a song.
Why are you crying? Huh? Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong, Baba? Oh. Alright guys, we're having lump rice and chicken curry.
Oh.
Smells so good. Let's go, the OG Sri Lankan experience right here. I came out looking homeless, but it's fine. YOLO. Panda and I are out on a little little venture, just looking around, maybe try to see some place or like buy something here. And yeah, a little gelato date with Panda. We both are such idiots because This says Isle of Gelato, but we're blind, so we read it as Tail of Gelato, and then what did we read it as?
Table of gelato.
So yeah, but we're sitting out here, and it's really nice, and it's around like 9:20 at night, and we decided to come to town. We got a lot of stuff. Like, you wanna do a little haul? Panda and I got like passion fruit tea, and I got blueberry tea as well. Yeah, Panda got these vanilla beans, and it's nice and fresh. I'm good, don't worry, this is all good. We got this turtle one, fridge magnet, the Sri Lankan map fridge magnet. Like, we went to Kandy, Pinawala, Nura, Elia. We're going to this waterfall tomorrow. And then we're going to Yala tomorrow as well. And then we go down to like this place around somewhere here. And thereafter we go to Galle and then Hikkaduwa and then back to Colombo and then to the airport. Got this fridge magnet too. And then this keyring. And now I think I'm done with gifts. I'm probably gonna buy more stuff. Probably at the beach. Gotta get some for my lover boy. I'm gonna cut this part out.
I'm not getting anyone anything because I'm nasty like that. I'm just joking. I get nice stuff, but
Okay, bye. 7:45 and we're out to see the 9 Arch Bridge. Come. Let's go. Around 8:30 a train comes, so I guess we wait until then. Hi little munchkin. And the 9 Arch. To be honest, I thought there was like water down there. But like, it's land, so if someone flies out of like the rain, they're gonna die. Oh, thank you, Panda. We dropped this
oh my god.
from my jacket.
Oh,
Oh, that looks nice as well.
the sun's hitting me.
It comes.
What? What? Angel. Oh, you can go ahead, sorry. Beautiful.
I just fell, guys. Look at my butt. Oh, damn.
Angel, did you fall down?
Yeah,
Does your butt hurt?
my butt hurts.
I'm sorry.
Breakfast. breakfast for the day is string hoppers and sambal dal, chicken curry, tea.
Little pests here as well.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. An addict for your love, it keeps me high, keeps me high.
This is our room. Excuse the mess right now. We were just sorting things out, and this is a cute Airbnb. Not as fancy as the other ones, but it's fine. Anyway, we're just waiting for we're just waiting for what are we waiting for? We're waiting for the safari to come get us, and yeah, we'll be on our way soon. So that's the safari we're gonna go on. Let's go. Look, there's a Komodo dragon. Yeah. I mean, not a Komodo dragon, sorry.
Komodo dragon is huge. And
That's an iguana, guys, not a Komodo dragon.
The green beet.
Ah, so beautiful.
They sometimes eating the bees. The black color bird.
Huh?
The Indian darter bird.
Oh,
They're going to under the water catching the fish.
yeah. Hi, crocodile.
it's a peahen. One and another one. Both of them together. Look, Angel. Two
Yeah.
of us, two of them.
Oh yeah, besties. Why is the tail so long? What? Yeah, he's scared. Aww.
The Indian national bird, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, the deer is still looking at us.
So cute.
Very old and elephant.
Ah. How old is she? Um. How old is he? Ah.
Is it old there?
Yeah. Bison. Yeah.
They're very big.
Yeah. Huge.
Because I'm very tabagan now.